Hey everyone, it's Yvette Pagano coming to you with an exciting tech tip. Everyone knows moving can be hard, time-consuming, stressful, but moving analytical equipment improperly can also void your warranty and cause performance issues. However, using a GenTech field service engineer for relocation will mitigate this risk. GenTech's relocation services include the following: preliminary testing of the instrument at the old location, complete de-installation of the instrument, physically packing the instrument and moving it to its new location, reinstalling the instrument, and then post-installation checking. Whether you're moving across the campus or across the country, GenTech relocation services are the obvious choice.